Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to import data in QGIS. So please listen carefully this video and like, share, subscribe. If any query, please write me comment. So let's start. Here is QGIS and here browser and downside layer. If you don't have browser and layer, you go to view and panel. After panel you select here browser, and don't have layer you select layer, and here is adjust as per your requirement. You adjust it. After it, here is your all drive and you have data. Go to that drive. We go to D drive and select our data, and we select here file as per our need. We add here shapefile, so we double click, otherwise drag. We double click, our data is add, and you see here layer and our data is added. If you want to remove it, you right click and go to remove layer, you remove it. Okay, our data is removed. If you want to add by drag, you select it and drag it. Our data is added, and you see attribute table. You go to attribute, open attribute. Here is all attribute, ID, name, all attribute as per your shapefile. And if you want to select anyone, you select it. Here is selected part, it is selected part. And if you want to more select, you select it. Our area is selected, and if you want to unselect it, you click anyone, unselect, only one is selected. And if you want to select all, you go to selection tool and we select all is selected. If you want to unselect, you click side and unselect. If you want to change symbology, you double click on symbol and our symbology is on, and you change as per your requirement. We select it and OK, our symbology is changed. If this video is helpful, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.